Yes, good morning, everybody. Today is Monday. This is the first day of the week. So I'd like us to start off analysis with the chart on our screen. This is GBPUSD. You can see what happened during the previous week. We had a very big crash. This is after the release of the NFP. This is why the price moved massively to the lower side. So as it is right now, this is still possibly a sell, because you can see what happened the same day we had price clearly break and close below this line. So the price broke and closed below this level here, which means that as long as the price is held below these two lines, we may likely see the sellers continue to push price to the lower side. So we may see a continuation to the lower side, and that would mean that the price may likely extend downwards. But first of all, we need to see a clear breakout, because this is a very good support. This is a very good support level where we don't expect that the price will likely break below it easily. But if the price can close below this line, which is 1.260227, which is this line here, then that will be a good sign that we're now continuing to the lower side, and we may see a continuation much lower towards this zone. If this is broken, then we expect the price to extend even lower towards the next zone, which is this one here. So expect a move to this point. When this is broken, expect it to extend downwards towards the next level, which is this one here. If this is broken, then expect the price to continue even lower up to the next level, which is this one here. So ideally, we are into a sell, but only if the price can descend below this line here. I hope that makes sense. So if the price should break and close below this line, the next zone is this one. If this is broken, the next zone is this one. If this is broken, then the next zone is this one here. So just expect a move up to this point. When this is violated, the next zone is this one. If this is violated, then the next zone is the one we have at the bottom, which is the lowest one. So that is my opinion. That is my opinion on those charts. The other chart I want us to have a look at is EURUSD. So this is also in a downtrend. We have seen the price extend to the lower side. We saw a massive continuation to the lower side. So as it is right now, we have a zone we're looking at. We are looking at this zone here, where we do expect that if the price can descend and close below this zone, then we will expect that the sellers are going to continue to push price downwards up to the next zone, which is this zone here. This is 1.06814. So we will be expecting a move up to this point. In case the price descends and closes below it, then that will be a good sign that we are now continuing even lower. But as it is right now, we may see a rebound from this point towards this level here. If this is broken, the next place we want to look for a break from is this one here. So either a buy towards this point. If this is broken, the next place is up to this point here. So that's my opinion on that chart. The other chart is the US dollar Japanese yen. This is upwards. We are strictly looking for buy positions. So on this chart, basically we have a very good resistance zone. This is a very good resistance. We have a resistance. We have a resistance. So if the price can ascend above the upper line, which is this zone 148.8783, then we want to wait for a retracement back towards the same level to mean that the price is continuing even higher. So if the price ascends above this line, I want us to wait for a retracement back towards the same level so that we can push the price upwards, expecting it to extend even higher. So that's my opinion on this. The other chart I want us to look at is the US dollar Japanese yen. This is also upwards. We've seen the price extend massively to the upside. We saw rapid movements to the upside on Friday. So we had price break and close above this level. We had a resistance, had a resistance. The price extended massively upwards. It even broke above this line. So as it is right now, we want to see a clear breakout and a close above this zone. So if the price can ascend beyond these two lines, then we want to wait for a retracement back to the same level to push the price upwards towards the next level, which is this one here. If this is broken, then we will expect the price to continue even higher. So that is my opinion on this chart. That's my opinion on this chart. The last chart I want us to look at today is we want us to look at this one. This is US dollar Chinese renmin. So this is upwards also. You can see on Friday the price moved intensely to the upper side. So on this chart, the main zone I'm looking at, I have the first level here. And I have the next one here. If the price can ascend and close above this line, then we will be expecting it to extend even higher. We'll be expecting it to extend higher. We're expecting it to continue even massively after it has broken above this line here. So thank you very much. That should bring us to the end of today's analysis.